Next week is not just another trading week, it is a high volatility setup where one global event can decide the entire market direction. So if you are trading Nifty or options, you cannot miss this. Welcome back traders. Let's break down the most important triggers for the Indian stock market for the week starting 13th April in the simplest way possible. This week you can trade smarter, not harder. Right now the market is slightly unstable. Why? The major reason is the crude oil nearing around $100. India is an import-heavy economy, so rising crude means inflation pressure, weak sentiment, and volatility in the markets. At the same time, earnings season is starting, especially IT stocks. So expect sharp move stock-wise. Let's begin day-wise breakup. Starting Monday, it will be an action-packed day because of the multiple reasons, starting with CPI inflation data impact, US-Iran peace talks outcome, and most important, Nifty weekly expiry is shifted to Monday. So it all indicates there are higher chances of high volatility, sharp intraday moves. If global news turns negative, expect gap down. If positive, markets can bounce quickly. On Tuesday, 14th April, markets will be closed due to Ambedkar Jayanti. But here is the catch. Global markets and GIFT Nifty will still move. So Wednesday opening can have a big gap. Wednesday, 15th of April, watch for the gap up or gap down opening. Global cues from inflation and crude will have an impact on the market. Labor data, that's the consumption indicator, will be released and will also show its impact on the market move. This day can set the tone for the rest of the week. Thursday, 16th April. Key triggers for the day are the infrastructure sector updates, cement and steel stocks. US retail sales data will also be published, and it is the day for Sensex expiry. Again, expect intraday volatility and sharp moves. Friday, the last trading day for the week, 17th April. Important macro factors impacting the trading session will involve the early monsoon signals along with the India trade deficit data. All these have direct impact on rupees, FMCG and rural stocks and the overall sentiment of the market. Now let's talk about the numbers. Support. For Nifty, the major support lies at 23,650 to 23,700. Break below this, market can fall further deep. Now, the resistance after the much hyped week is placed at 24,400 to 24,480. Break above this will have the bullish momentum resume. The biggest wild card right now is US-Iran situation. Positive outcomes relates to the market rally, negative outcomes relates to the sharp fall. So every trade this week depends on global news. Final advice, this is not the week to overtrade. Always remember the line, preservation is more important than aggression. So happy traders, trade light, keep stop loss tight and stay disciplined because one wrong trade in high volatility can wipe out multiple gains. If you guys find this video useful, hit like, share with your trading friends and subscribe for daily market insights because in this market, information is your biggest edge. Thank you guys.